Hello and welcome to Azurewala YouTube channel. We are in question number 24 of Azure Solutions Architect Expert Series. You have an application that is used by 6,000 users to validate their vacation requests. The application manages its own credential store, means authentication is taken care by the application itself. Users must enter username and password to access the application. The application doesn't support identity provider. So this is the current situation. You plan to upgrade the application to use single sign-on authentication by using Azure Active Directory, or you can say Entra ID application registration. Which single sign-on method should you use? So let's see what these four options are. Choosing the right single sign-on method from Microsoft Entra ID or Azure Active Directory depends on the type of application you are integrating with and its supported protocols. The most common and recommended methods for modern cloud applications are SAML and OpenID Connect. So now we have limited our choice to option number 1 and option number 2. SAML and OpenID Connect are federated single sign-on methods. Federated single sign-on is the most secure and robust option. It allows Entra ID to act as the identity provider and the application to act as service provider. The user authenticates with Entra ID, which then sends a token or assertion to the application to grant access. SAML or Security Assertion Markup language. This is the industry standard for federated SSO and is widely supported by thousands of pre-integrated software as service applications in the Entra ID gallery. It's an XML based protocol. Use SAML for applications that support it. This is the preferred method for most enterprise applications that aren't using OpenID Connect. So we will use the SAML for the applications which are not supporting the OpenID Connect. Next one is OpenID Connect. This is a modern authentication protocol built on top of OAuth 2.0. It's often used for web and mobile applications. And when we will use OIDC for applications that are built to use it. Many modern applications and those registered through app registration in the Entra ID use this protocol. So this is going to be the correct choice for us, because if OIDC is not supported, we'll go for SAML. Password based SSO, we will use it for legacy applications, so that's not our choice. Let's go back to question. Therefore option A is incorrect. SAML is the option when we are not using OpenID Connect. Password based is for legacy applications. Therefore option D, OpenID Connect, is the correct answer. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.